Let's go through practice problem 22.2. Matt borrows $3,000 from his parents to buy his first car. To teach him about loans, they charge a nominal annual interest rate of 5%, compounded monthly for 1 year. For part A, I want to know how much interest Matt will have to pay if he doesn't pay down any of the loan for the whole year. So for part A, I'm going to use my compound interest formula. The amount he's going to owe A is equal to P times 1 plus R divided by M. Since I've got the nominal annual interest rate and the compounding period, to the power M times T. Here the principal P is equal to $3,000, the amount he borrows to buy the car. The interest rate R is 5%, so I put a few zeros out here for my 5%. And when I convert this to decimal form, I move the decimal 2 places to the left, and that gives me 0.05 for my interest rate. M is the number of times per year interest is compounded. It's compounded monthly, so that's going to be 12. And for T is the term of the loan, and that's 1 year, so T is going to be equal to 1. So if I put that all in there, I get A is equal to $3,000 times 1 plus 0.05 divided by 12 to the power of 12 times 1. So if I put that in my calculator, the amount that he has to pay if he doesn't pay down any of the loan for the whole year is $3,153.49. So that's the total amount he has to pay, but I'm really interested in how much interest he has to pay. So his interest is going to be equal to the total amount minus the principal, so that will give me $153.49 is the interest he ends up paying. For part B, we want to use an online calculator like the one at this link to figure out how much Matt should pay each month to have his loan paid off at the end of the year. So I've gone ahead and gone to that calculator here, and I've put in the vehicle value, how much he paid for it. It's $3,000. His interest rate is 5%, and he has a loan for 12 months. So if I go ahead and click calculate, that tells me that he has 12 monthly payments of $256.82. So over here for part B, his monthly payment was $256.82. For part C, I want to know how much interest Matt pays for the year if he makes the monthly payments for part B. So to figure that out, I need to know the total amount he pays for the year. So the amount he pays for the year is going to be 12 times his monthly payment of $256.82. So the total amount he pays if he makes those monthly payments is $3,081.84. And again, I want to figure out the interest, and the interest is going to be equal to the amount he pays minus the principal, and in this case that's going to be $81.84. So if he makes his monthly payments, he pays a lot less in interest than if he just waits to the end of the year to pay off his whole loan.